Imagine our future. A future of autonomous systems driven by advanced electronics. We are proud to be part of it. Welcome to the world of KYOCERA AVX, a global manufacturer of passive electronic components and interconnect solutions. An integral part of our mission is to be close to our customers at the right time with the right product or solution that meets or exceeds their requirements. Our team around the world are always on call to meet the needs of our clients. KYOCERA AVX is a leading manufacturer of tantalum capacitors. Let's have a look at the tantalum division. Tantalum capacitors combine the stability of excellent parameters with reliability and robustness, outperforming other technologies. Our wide range of tantalum and polymer technology type products are capable of meeting any specific application needs. The extremely high surface area of tantalum and niobium oxide electrode with stable dielectrics provide high capacitance values in small dimensions. Second electrodes made of manganese or conductive polymers provide highly dependable, durable, and offer a low series resistance as well. Since the middle of the past century, KYOCERA AVX continues in this tradition, combining the knowledge base of experience and skills from past generations with the latest KYOCERA AVX technology. Our experienced specialist teams are constantly looking for ways to improve products and services at all levels of development and manufacturing processes. Capacitor manufacturing technology is very often considered as a simple, easy process. However, the manufacturing of tantalum electrolytic capacitors is a good example of a high technology that involves many production steps as well as technological knowledge to create a component which features leading parameters and electrical performance. Tantalum capacitors are known for their stability of parameters, excellent reliability, durability, and high-capacity volumetric efficiency. These features make tantalum capacitors the favored choice for a wide range of electronic devices used in daily life, such as mobile phones, notebooks, digital cameras, storage systems, or wearable electronics. Many electronically driven automobile systems would not move without a tantalum capacitor. Harsh environment outdoor telecommunication equipment, industrial or downhill drilling field rely on tantalum capacitor technology. High-quality tantalum capacitors, as part of pacemakers or defense systems, can become guardians of our lives or even extend human knowledge on space missions. Our tantalum capacitors are close to all of us, providing its assistance to our daily tasks, our safety and extending depth of our knowledge. KYOCERA AVX tantalum capacitors are moving us across new frontiers. Let's move towards that future together to be the number one of our lives.